Hello, today we will talk about our experience of having worked by 3D printing. Well, 3D printers are here to stay, and their main purpose is to revolutionize both the industry and the use of printers at home. These equipment have reached their peak in recent years. In fact, many people have witnessed what can be achieved with a 3D printer as it has been the protagonist of many news headlines, especially in the field of medicine. The advancements of technology has allowed the materials used in 3D printing to diversify, making it possible to obtain all kinds of solids. Therefore, it is up to each user to determine which is the best material that will be most suitable for this project. So, in general, the most widely used materials are thermoplastics, the most popular being ABS and PLA. With ABS, you can print objects that are strong and durable, while with recyclable properties and in a variety of colors. And the PLA is another thermoplastic that is also available in a variety of colors. However, the solids made with this material are not as strong compared to those made with ABS.
Using a 3D printer is not difficult. It is just making the prints with patience and checking how the printing process is going every 5 minutes to prevent the printing from going wrong. In my opinion, printing each piece was a college to make. Each piece throughout well and program into print the piece. We use an application with the name of FlexPrint where the piece is programmed and modified so that the printer can read. Uh, what was completed for me was the assembly of the piece and getting the piece in place.
The printing engine was interesting. Wanted to practice to design and be able to do re-engineering in some parts that will not work. The project was the most present and we feel it some aspects with if we start with a continuous improvement in our life and in what we in when we do improve or way of delivering the works we reach the final product we got to train in 3D but we will continue to improve.
My experience with the modeling and engineering assembly of the which has previously sound and later, and with the help of 3D prints, was able to print was one the best signs in the was an approach towards working life and also having knowledge about 3D prints with PLA materials in order to achieve the products, and it is expense the purpose of the major in general science it was as fundamental it towards knowledge about software modeling and 3D print.
Well, this is our final project. We had some difficulties, but we managed to fix it. The result is